when doing a blowout and flat iron, is there a way to maintain moisture in your hair throughout the week? Yes, and no. One, before blow drying your hair with the comb attachment, if you have a curlier or kinkier texture, is the safest way. It's the least amount of stress and tension on the hair, first and foremost. And using a leave-in moisturizer to help soften and break down the hair, because you don't want to put heat on dry hair. And again, I don't know if I've told you this or you've heard this or remember hearing this in the past, but wash and go styling, or even sleeping overnight with conditioner and a cap on your head before getting your hair blow dried and flat ironed is a great way for your hair to retain moisture and moisture, as you know, is your hair's own ability to have its own heat protectant. So, and a heat protectant or leave-in moisturizer is just simply a buffer of cream moisture that will help to make the hair submit to heat, and it prevents excessive heat from doing, so you burn off the moisture, the leave-in moisturizer, or the, moisturizer left in your hair from all your beautiful wash and goes and conditioning treatments from the night before. So that's the first defense against heat, and being able to have a blow dry and a flat iron style that is moisturized throughout the week. If you have to put additional moisture on it, depending on your hair texture, I say if you're a 2 or a 3, I like silicone creams. I like them because they're not high concentrate of silicone, but they also dissipate into the hair and they prevent humidity from, and take away frizz and prevent humidity from doing awful things to your silky blow dries. I like small amounts of heavier oils for 3s and 4s, the higher 3s or the 4s, whatever is it? I'm so confused by this 3 4, even though I love categorizing. The 4s, drier, kinkier textures, coarser textures. If you have a curly texture that's coarser, so the oils, fattier oils like coconut oil, but small amounts. Some people's hair don't. I've heard that they don't like coconut oil. I like I love edge control as a pre buffer for your flat iron, and hairspray keeps your hair from reverting back. But again, so I digress. If you have a kinkier 4, then use some small amounts of oils, like drops or so, to add moisture to your blow dries, your flat irons. I hope this helps, depending on your texture.